everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a house tour of my uni accommodation. So I'm staying at University of Kent in Canterbury, and this is Turing College houses, and I'm in a house of 9 people, and the bottom one stays on the floor and has a slightly different layout to my room, and they get their own ensuite. And also I think it's just block C and block D with the 9 people in the houses, and the other blocks have 12 in, or obviously flats, but yeah, depending if you're in a house or not. Block C and block D are the ones with 9 people in, I think, I'm pretty sure. But anyway, I'm just going to be showing you my room again. I've already done a separate video which is a room tour, which is in a bit more detail, but for now I'm just going to show you like the basics in my room, and then downstairs and the bathroom as well, but I've already showed that, but I'll just show it again anyway. So a little overview of my room again. This is it. It's pretty big and spacious inside. Got a lot of space on the floor here, but anyway, as you come in, you've got your 3 door pegs, a radiator where you can obviously change the temperature and off and on. You can also lock your door from the inside, and yeah, you've got a long mirror here on the wall, and you've got a massive double wardrobe. Quickly show you inside so you can see the layout. But yeah, that's basically the layout of it. So you've got some shelves in there and stuff like that. And also one thing to note is if you're in a house, obviously you're going to get this massive wardrobe, but if you're in a flat, then the wardrobe is half the size basically. You don't have as much room in there. Just bear that in mind. And then moving on, you've got the desk area. You have loads of shelving up here and storage above, and obviously you can fit stuff above your wardrobe if you want to. And you've got 3 drawers, obviously one slightly smaller, and yeah, I'll just show you inside. Top one, it's got just all my makeup in it, it's pretty messy. And then this bottom one, I'll show you, just got all my like hair stuff in there. I bought this little like small desk table from IKEA. I think it was about £6 or something. Just so you can note that. And the mirror is also from IKEA. The bin comes with the room. It's just a basic grey metal bin. You can bring fairy lights as well. And yeah, moving around, you've got some shelving on the bottom here, and I've just got 3 boxes there from IKEA. Also bring a fan because it does get hot in here, but obviously you can leave the window open, but I've got my curtain shut at the moment because the sun's currently peeping through, and if it's open then the heat will come in and it just gets too hot in here. But yeah, also I've got my wash bin which I've hidden in the corner out the way. Moving round, I've got these dots on the wall from eBay. I've stuck them on there all individually. When I've had people come around here, they always ask, is that wallpaper or was that already there? No, it's stickers which make the room like really nice. They're about that big, but yeah, they're really ideal. They're only about £4 for about 100 and something. So I recommend those. You can get them in different colours as well, obviously. But obviously the room came in grey and white, so I thought I'd stick to the theme. Here is the bed. It's on like little stands, but obviously you can't move the bed at all. But oh yeah, you've also got like a little window sill here and like a double window, which is nice. But the bed I think is 7 foot long, so it's more than an average single bed. So I do recommend like making sure your bottom sheet fits first. I've got them from Primark. It was like the brush cotton one. It's only £6.50 and that fits well. I used it before at home, so maybe after one wash it'll fit, but yeah, I've had a few problems fitting a bed sheet on here before, but I don't know, you're just gonna have to deal with it. Or you can have a sheet and just fold it around bottom of your bed or something. But you get a pillow that comes with the room and also a mattress protector as well, so that's quite handy. But yeah, you've got loads of plug sockets as well. Mine's like slightly coming off the wall there, I'm not sure how, but there's a light switch there and by the door as well. Plug socket by the radiator and one there and one there, so 4 altogether. But yeah, that's basically my room. Now I'm going to go into the bathroom and show you what mine looks like. This is just the landing. And in here is obviously the bathroom. I do recommend getting a squeegee for the shower. Mine's just from Amazon, and yeah, you can also get a shower screen spray so it cleans it easier. But you get a little shelf, sink, you get your toilet roll supplied to you, and yep, there's a light up there, and a radiator and a bin, and I recommend bringing your own bath mat as well. But yeah, that's just basically the bathroom. Downstairs, I'm on the top floor in mine, so right, so this is the kitchen. Please excuse the mess. Everyone went out last night, as you can tell. It is not normally like this. We are normally quite clean, but anyway, as you walk in, there's the door. You get mop, broom, dustpan and brush. You put your glass in there if you've got any, and in here you've got bin bags supplied to you, like the light green ones are for recycling and the black ones just for general waste. And yeah, I'm not sure what that is. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm so embarrassed because of the mess, but yeah, you get 2 bins there. Got all this alcohol here. This is my fridge. That's my little shelf there. I just went shopping, that's why it's all full. But 4 people will share this fridge, or even 5, so it's quite a squeeze. But we all managed to make it work somehow. You also get some little sofas here. You get an iron and an iron board. Yeah, you get a little countertop here. You're in the 12-bed house. The kitchen is slightly different, I believe. It's I think it's green and it's got like a different layout. You can also see that on like the website and stuff. But yeah, you get 1 drawer and you get a double shelf as well. That's just all my stuff. There's 2 microwaves, one over there. There's 1 toaster in this one, and you get a kettle as well. Someone's got their own coffee maker there. Yeah, there's also room under here and under the sink as well where people store their stuff. There's also room for your pans, so you don't have to put them in your cupboard, sorry. And yeah, people just tend to leave their stuff in the sink and then wash it up when they feel like it. This really wasn't a good day to film, but I just wanted to get this video up and running. But this is the reality of uni, it being messy, because obviously you live with loads of people. But yeah. You also get given these individual sprays from the cleaners. Obviously they're for each individual thing, like one's for the bathroom, one's for the kitchen, and I don't know what the pink one's for. oh, the toilet again or something like that. But yeah, it's just got instructions on it, and yeah, you get given that, which is good. The cleaners do come, I'm not sure how often, but they do come and like clean inside the microwaves and ovens. But yeah, you get a telephone as well, which I don't think anyone's ever used. Sorry, it's out of focus. I think I've covered most things to do with the whole Turing houses. But for this year, the 2019-2020 year, the amount that it cost is just under £6,000. Obviously you can pay that termly or all in one go, or arrange something with the uni, I guess. But yeah, you automatically get that taken out of your account when you get your student loan. I think the dates are different. Sorry, my camera just cut if the angle's changed, but as I was saying, the Turing houses are just under £6,000. I believe Turing flats are just over £7,000, and extra large Turing flats is £7,500. So I really recommend staying in a house if you can, because one, it's cheaper, two, obviously if you don't mind sharing a bathroom, that's all good. But before I came to uni, I was adamant that I didn't want to share a bathroom because I just thought no. But actually when you come here, you get to know everyone really well, and there's literally no issue at all. But yeah, it depends. If you've got that extra bit of money to spend, obviously, then obviously go for it. But I believe in Turing flats you also get, I think it's like a small double, and then obviously an ensuite, and then in extra large you get like a full double bed, and obviously a bigger room. But I know there's like not much space in terms of, compared to my floor, there'd just be like gaps between the bed, if you know what I mean. But yeah, it depends if you've got that extra money to spend. If you have, go for it. But trying to do this on a budget, but obviously this was like my lowest, not standard, but like, because I went to uni last year and it was basically the same, and I've had a look around the other accommodations and I just didn't want to go for that because I feel like this was the most modern and up-to-date building that I really liked. And yeah, it's, yeah, if you've got like any option, definitely pick Turing because it is the nicest. You've also got Tyler Court, Parkwoods, houses and flats. You've got Keynes, which is right next door to us. But this was like the most recent building. It was built in 2014, I think. And I think like Keynes was built in, let me have a look on my phone. Yeah, Keynes was built in 1968. So that's nearly like 50 years ago, which is crazy if my maths is right. Pretty sure it is. But yeah, it's just, that's just crazy to me. And also like you've got Darwin, Elliot, Rutherford, which are all pretty old buildings as well. So obviously definitely have a look online and see which ones you like best, because obviously it's down to personal preference, and you'll be living here for what, 40 weeks nearly, depends what contract you get. But yeah, I hope all this information helped, and if you have any questions, as I say, please comment them down below and I'll get back to you really quick. But yeah, please like this video and subscribe if you're new, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Listen.